We are final year students from NTTF VTC Center studying mechatronics, diploma in mechatronics engineering and smart factory. In this video, we are going to present you about our final year project, tea glass washing machine.
I am Akash. I am the member of automatic tea glass washing. In today's fast-paced world, the aspiration of an industry is constantly looking forward a way of streamline their operation to provide the efficiency service to their customers. Tea shop is the one of the food and beverage industries. In tea glass washing machine is an automatic glass washer that provides more than hygienic cleaning process compared to the manual washing. Within a fast cleaning capacity, 4 glass in 15 seconds. In this machine is a cost-effective solution for their business looking to increase their cleaning efficiency. According to the research, drinking of a paper cup tea being linked to the disease such as cancer. Further decompositions of paper cups release the methane gases, which is 25 times harmful to the environment. The carbon dioxide that tea glass washing machines often solution for the problem, cleaning the needs of paper cups there, reducing harm caused to the environment.
I am Elton. I am a member of the automatic tea glass washing machine. Now I am explaining about major components. The components. We are using two types of SMBS, 12 volt SMBS and 24 volt SMBS, and a controller 1 delta PLC. First, e-stop, and e-stop is an emergency stop for an emergency purpose, and 2 push buttons. One is green color is on the machine, red color is off the machine. And relays for controlling your motors, 12 channel of relays and 2 dual MOSFETs.
This is a soap oil suction pump. First one is a soap water pump, second one is a hot water pump.
We are using 8 solenoid valves for controlling the flow of water. And this is a heater to washing glasses in hot water. 8 limit switches. And we are using 8 photoelectric sensors. This is a water level sensor to detect a soap water level. And first, red color light. The e-stop when released, the red color light will turn off. When I press, the red color light is turned on. After that, the heater status, the heater whether the on or off stage. And the storage cooler. In storage area, the glass fully occupied, the yellow color light will turn on. And when I press the green color push button, the green color light will turn on. It's a machine ready to run or stop.
So I am going to explain this process virtually. So when we place a glass near the sensor first before on the machine. So when we place the glass near the sensor will sense and actuate the conveyors, all the conveyors, and the glass will go inside. The rack and pinion will be in initial position, and after 2 seconds the pumping of soap water will be actuated. The upside nozzle will get on and the lower side nozzle will get on. After washing with soap water for 5 seconds, so and the hot water pump will actuate. With hot water we are going to wash like 10 seconds with the upside nozzle and downside nozzle. After the washing process, this rack and pinion will get downside to stop the another glass. So when it gets downside, this another part of the rack and pinion gets automatically upside because of this reversal gear. When this comes upside, this glass will come outside from the moving conveyor. When this sensor senses the glass, the rack and pinion will actuate and it automatically will get to its initial position. After the rack and pinion will get its initial position, the glasses will come out each and every time. So when it comes here, the barrel will stop this and the glasses will be stored here and glass is ready to pick.
I'm Jagdish, the team member of automatic tea glass washing machine. I will show the real-time working video.
Before turn on the machine, check the e-stop indicator state and release the e-stop switch. After press the on push button to turn on the machine.